Hello everyone, this is Karan Singh from Optimal Homes, and today we'll be checking out this cute and cozy home in the heart of Union City, California. So come right in. Listed at $625,000, this home is a hot attraction in today's marketplace. The property has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and is strategically located near shopping centers, restaurants, and the 880 freeway. This home has over 1,100 square feet of living area, a detached 2-car garage, and a patio for your entertainment needs. If you or your family like to play some ball, this home has a full court in front of the house. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this beautiful, cozy house, and I look forward to seeing all you guys at the open house next week. Don't miss out on this great opportunity.